Welcome to the Shurley English Two-Minute Tip of the Day. Today's topic will address when to use who or whom. Who and whom are pronouns. To be more specific, they are called interrogative pronouns, and they make asking direct or indirect questions easy. There are 5 interrogative pronouns: who, what, which, whose, and whom. Did you notice that they all begin with WH? Who and whom are interrogative pronouns that refer to people. It can be difficult to choose the correct one to use in a question. Let me show you how to choose wisely. The pronoun who is always used as the subject in an interrogative sentence. That means who is a subject pronoun. It is labeled with a capital S, capital P. A pronoun can be substituted for a noun in a sentence so that we don't have to repeat the same noun over and over again. Instead of saying Jim ate the pizza, we can say he ate the pizza. If we were to write either sentence as an interrogative sentence, who would be used as the subject pronoun. Who is always used as a subject in a sentence. An easy way to check yourself is to read the example and substitute he or him for who or whom. That way you can more easily hear the correct form. He and who are used as subject pronouns. Him and whom are used as object pronouns. Let's give it a try. Him is at the door sounds incorrect. He is at the door makes perfect sense. Since he and who are subject pronouns, who is the correct word choice? Who is at the door? Now let's talk about the pronoun whom. Whom is always used as an object in a sentence. Whom can be an object of the preposition, a direct object, an indirect object, or an object complement pronoun. Look at this example. Let's use the same pronouns he and him to help us determine the correct answer. He doesn't make sense because he is a subject pronoun. Him makes sense because it's an object pronoun. So the object pronoun whom is the correct answer. Kim ran errands for whom? Knowing when to use who or whom will help you speak and write with more confidence. Thanks for watching this Shurley English 2-Minute Tip of the Day. For more information, please visit us at www.shurley.com.